Hey lovelies, welcome to my channel. Today I'll be making a tropical sorbet recipe using papaya and mangoes. These are sweet yet low in glycemic index, which makes it super safe for everyone, including the diabetic. This is one recipe you should try. Personally, I take this on hot days. It helps me stay cool and hydrated. To make the sorbet, I'll start by prepping my fruits. I'll first peel my pawpaw. Just peel it off like this. While you're doing this, make sure your knife is sharp. It will help you. Make sure to peel everything. You don't want to have the skin on it. So after peeling, we'll cut it into 2 halves and then take out these seeds. I'll cut them into smaller sizes and then go further cut them into cubes. After that, I'll put them into my Ziploc storage bag. I'll set this aside. For my mango prep, I would cut the mangoes. Go over to the other side. With my spoon, I'll just scoop it out. I'll do this for all the mangoes I'll be using. My mangoes are cooked. This is how they look. I'll still go ahead to chop them. And this is the center bits. If you're still wondering what I do with them, of course they go into my stomach. So I'll just keep this for later. And I would cut this into tiny bits. Since they're going to be frozen, I want them to be crushed very fast. So I'll just cut them into tiny bits and put them into my Ziploc. So when you're making this, I recommend you cut them into tiny bits like this after scooping them out. This is my Ziploc bag. I will just pour this into it and refrigerate. This is my mango and my pawpaw. I would leave this in my freezer overnight. I left this overnight and it's frozen. So let's go ahead to blend. I would just blend it this way. I won't be putting any water because what is sorbet if you had water? I'll be using my tamper to push it down so that it can blend very well since it's frozen. Our sorbet is well blended. We scoop it into our serving glass. Looks really good already. When you're making this, please try to be as fast as possible. You don't want your fruits defrost while you're still making it. That won't look good. So if you want it to look as good as mine, you have to be very fast. Make sure everything is in place before you even bring it out of the freezer. If it defrosts, then it becomes a smoothie. No longer a sorbet. Oh my god, this feels refreshing. You don't want to miss this sorbet recipe. Please try it and let me know how it came out in the comment section. Also, don't leave without subscribing. Please subscribe and click on the notification bell for notifications on our future videos. Thank you and bye for now.